In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to access your downloads. If you purchase a digital download from Etsy, and my shop, I personally have templates of Excel templates, and then I also have printables, which are PDF files, so Excel files, Google Docs files, or PDF files. There's actually two ways to get your downloads. I'm going to show you both ways. The first way is after you make your purchase, you're going to be directed to this page here where it says, "Thank you for your order, Kelly." Then on the right here, you can see the View Downloads button. After you hit that button, it's going to bring you to this screen, and you can see your card information, which is blocked out for me for privacy, the order total, all of that. Then you're going to hit this button, View Downloads. It told me to hang tight and that it'll be ready in a few minutes, but immediately it was ready for me. So I hit View Downloads. Then it brings you to this screen, and you'll hit the download button over here to the right. If you purchase more than one, they will all be listed down below here. Then after you hit this button, it's going to go to your downloads folder on your computer. So you want to access that. Sometimes it goes to the bottom. Typically it goes to the bottom of the page. You'll see it on the very bottom of the web browser. Then when you click it, you will have your download, and you can download it right from here. This is your PDF file. Okay, and then here is the other way to access it. You're going to go to this upper right hand corner to your account. Then you can see purchases and reviews. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you can see your purchases. So here I have the printable. I have an old handkerchief from when I got married, but here is the printable, the money saving challenges. This is actually my most popular item, is a 30-day challenge to save $1,000. Then you go download files. Then it's going to bring you to that same screen here, where then you can hit the download button. And then if you see here, all the way down at the bottom, the $1,000 in 30 days PDF, hit that. And then over here on the right, here's the screen. There's actually two different options for this one, a black and white and then a teal color. And then I'm going to hit the download folder, and then it's going to download it right to my computer. So that is how you access your downloads in Etsy. It is super, super easy. And to be honest, it's easier to access them on desktop rather than mobile.